a church elder, he cannot stoop too low to take a bribe. That is what I am calling about the members, that when he stands to speak and defend himself, he should be able to tell us. Some of us will not be able to have 800,000 to bribe. An MCA salary is 86,000. When I stand here and my child wants an employment and I'll be asked to give a whopping 800,000, it is not a small money. We are society, and that is why I'm saying I am talking to our morals as the people. Morals. Because when you talk to your inner moral, we'll be able to vindicate you. When we are bringing a motion to this House, Honorable Speaker, it is not for us to be very detailed. All of us have gone to school. If I have said Article 232 was divided, it is for honorable members to take the pen, to read, and even go to the library and understand what does that article speak to us. That is the law. Because we, all of us may not be lawyers, but we speak to that constitution through reading, and if I don't understand as Karen, I will go to somebody next to me and ask, can you kindly help me understand this article? Because we cannot bring a motion that is so detailed that is going to speak everything in that motion. I talk in this house painfully. I met the boy, the one Dennis, because I was a second of this motion. And the pain that man went through explaining to me. He had to sell a salon in Nairobi. The wife had to come home so that they were anticipating that they are going to get this job. And we stand here saying it is business as usual and we need a detailed report. Honorable Governor, Deputy Governor, I am pleading with you. Your name is at stake, and even the church. But we wish, and I pray very hard, that you are able to vindicate yourself in this matter. I rest my case.
Yes, Honorable Ismail.